I've got some FabFitFun, including a $10 mystery bundle. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That's Chloe, and Bandit is trying to get comfortable on the couch that he peed on yesterday. Luckily, it's an indoor-outdoor couch, and I was able to just take off the seat cushion and wash it, but he is not in anybody's good graces these days. All right, well, if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So these are some add-ons, and there is a $10 mystery bundle in here, so we're going to determine, is it worth the 10 bucks? Now, I don't recall what I paid for everything in here. This, however, was $9. This is the Margot Elena Cottage Greenhouse Carrot and Neroli hand lotion, and it smells amazing. All of the cottage greenhouses have just this nice fresh scent. So there we go. And absolutely love this scent. When I saw that for $9, I was like, that's a heck of a deal, because these are usually $24, I think, for this size. Next, by Margot Elena brand, this is their Tokyo Milk. This is their Song in D minor. So packaging, beautiful. Here is the perfume, and the scent notes are white orchid, orange flower, gardenia, and amber. Oh yeah, you can definitely smell the gardenia in that.
Oh, oh my God.
And I have barely come across, I think maybe just one or two from the Tokyo Milk line that I haven't enjoyed. Then by Vacation, I got their After Sun perfume. And I went back and forth with this, but I don't know, in the end, I just decided to snag it. There is how it looks. The fragrance notes are green tea, cardamom absolute, ozone, and it says resort plush towel, and minibar gin, open weave linen.
Isn't the ozone like the atmosphere?
And it's an aloe vera essence.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to transform you from daytime poolside denizen to evening bon vivant. Okay. This is the scent of the illustrious.
Oh!
What would you say it smells like to you?
Can I smell it again? It kind of has a floral. Can I read the scent notes again?
Mm-hmm. Hold on, that's going to fall out if you don't hold it right.
All right. Oh, that's weird. The scent notes mentioned nothing that was like fruity or floral. Can I smell? Or maybe it's I smell the open wave linen and kind of a melon, I guess.
Okay. And then by Dibs, this is their Desert Island Beauty Status Glow Tour Duo Shimmering Blush and pH Shine Duo in Aura. I was not expecting that.
What is it?
Oh, it's clear though.
What is it? Maybe it changes colors? What is it?
Maybe.
Is
So
it
it just has a, I don't know.
What is it?
Shimmer of, it's a shimmering blush and a pH Shine Duo. So this must be the pH Shine. So it's starting to get pinker.
Wow.
And then, no, this, I think they're both pH because this is white. unless that's just supposed to be. All right, they're both pH. One is a blush and the other is more of like a shimmer. So the shimmer is right on top. I don't see that change in color, but the blush has definitely become much more pink. All right, now we're going to get into that mystery bundle. This was $10. Oh, no, wait. And one more thing that I ordered, and this is this ring. This is, I think it was Marilyn Schiff. Yes, Marilyn Schiff. And it's just a wrap ring, so it will fit any size.
Oh, cool.
But there we go. And I just thought that was so pretty. So it is adjustable.
Oh, wow, that's pretty.
To any size. All right, now we have the $10. So what you got, Chloe?
Look at this. It's,
a headband.
Oh, I just don't like the knot style up here, but it is cute. It's just not something I would wear.
And this is by Naughty, I guess is the name brand.
I just don't like having the lump on my head. Yeah, I don't. That looks weird.
And we have this little picture here. And I think my mom would like that because she likes sun. And then the third thing is by Vera Bradley. And it is a puzzle.
Oh, cool.
Okay. I mean, we don't really do puzzles, but I'm sure I can find somebody who does. In the family, maybe Grandma Diane would like it.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Yeah, I think she might do puzzles. So definitely some giftable items in here. Yeah, I think all three I'm going to gift, but for $10, that's not bad, particularly if I get 3 gifts out of it. All right, well, what was your favorite item in the box? Gosh, I don't know. From the mystery bundle, I'm going to say, I mean, I guess I'm going to say the picture. But overall, it's going to be this ring.
For me, it would have been either of the perfumes because those were really cute.
What was your favorite item in the mystery bundle, the 3 items?
Which were the 3?
Headband, picture, and puzzle.
Oh, that's a hard one. Maybe the headband? I don't know, I wasn't a huge fan of those 3.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, they weren't necessarily things for us, but they're certainly things we can...
Maybe Rich would like that?
Yeah. All right, well, that's what we have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.